I was on the phone with a client of mine just a bit ago, and he was telling me he makes about $2,000 a week. He bring home about $2,000 a week, but can't seem to find a way to save money. So I said, this is what we're going to do. We're going to look at your spending, because outside of your regular bills, that's not what the money is usually spent on. That's usually money that's accounted for. So you can kind of put a finger on where that money is going. So I said, are you eating out? He said, yeah. So we go through his daily lunch, breakfast, etc. So he's about $500 a week eating out between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I said, okay, cool. Can you cut that bill in half? Would you be able to cut that bill in half and say eat out to the tune of $250 a week? So he said, yeah. So that's a starting point for him. So if he could put aside $250 a week out of his eating out tab, you're looking at $1,000 a month in savings. But the fly part about that is I told him to get a book and start writing down, start inputting all of the deposits that he make into the account. So that $250, if a 5-day week equates to $50 a day, if you're bringing home about $2,000 a week and you're getting paid daily, put $50 a day into the account and start writing it down. So you start keeping a ledger of it. It kind of pumps you up a little bit, because now you see the money growing. So you start this week $50 every day. At the end of the week or the end of the 5 days, you got $250. Next week, you got $500. It'll start giving you some momentum. So that's something I would advise people. Kind of look at what you're spending outside of your everyday mortgages and car loans and stuff like that. It's usually the frivolous spending where you find the money at. And $500 a week is not a drop in the bucket for eating out. I mean, you could definitely cut that in half and start eating at home a little more, man. I mean, that's a little healthier for you as well. So maybe for the other person that's not a client of mine, grab a book, start listing your expenses, and list the type of money you're bringing in, and see where you can cut something out at and start saving that, and start listing every deposit that you make into that account. And let me know how that goes. Have a great day on purpose.